Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Science Olympiad. And in class 5 Science Olympiad, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the level 2 previous year question paper of SOF NSO. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes, so let's get started. Our first question, refer to the given flowchart and select the correct option regarding P, Q, R and S. Options are A. P could be duck-billed platypus or spiny anteater. B. Q exhibits one non-feeding stage in its life cycle. C. R could be frog or hen. D. All the stages of the life cycle of S are feeding and S could be beetle or butterfly. Okay. So here, as per the question, is it an animal? Yes. Lays eggs? No. Gives birth to young one? Yes. P. Then lays eggs, yes. Has 3 stages in life cycle, no. Has 4 stages in life cycle, yes. Q. Then has 3 stages in life cycle, yes. Young ones resemble parents, no. R. If yes, then it is yes. Okay. So here the options are P could be dog-billed platypus or spiny anteater. It is not correct. Okay, as per the given options. Then Q exhibits one non-feeding stage in its life cycle. Yes, this one is correct. So what is Q here? Q, is it an animal? Yes. Lays egg? Yes. Has 3 stages in life cycle? No. Has 4 stages in life cycle? Yes. So Q is having 4 stages in life cycle. And here Q could be the mosquito. And okay, so here in the mosquito, it is asking that there is one non-feeding stage. Yes, there is one non-feeding stage in the life cycle of mosquito. That is the pupa stage. So this one is correct. So R could be frog or hen. No, it is not correct. All the stages of the life cycle of S are feeding and S could be beetle or butterfly. No, this one is also incorrect. So here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, select the incorrect match from the following. Options are A. Vitamin A, fish oil, keeps eyes healthy. B. Iron beetroot, helps in formation of blood. C. Potassium lemon, necessary for healthy gums. D. Calcium milk, makes our bone and teeth strong. Okay. So here we have to find the incorrect match. So first option, vitamin A, that fish oil, it contains vitamin A which keeps eyes healthy. This one is correct. Beetroot contains iron which helps in formation of blood. It is also correct. Lemon contains potassium necessary for healthy gums. This is not correct because lemon, it contains vitamin C which is necessary for healthy gums. Okay, so it should not be potassium. Then milk contains calcium, makes our bone and teeth strong. This one is also correct. So here the incorrect option, that is the correct answer, that is option C. Got it? Coming to the next question. Study the given word grid carefully. What is the number of natural fibers and synthetic fibers hidden in the grid? Options are for natural fibers and synthetic fibers: A 42, B 21, C 13, D 43. Okay, so here first, what is the number of natural fibers and synthetic fibers hidden in the grid? So let us find out which are the fibers present here. Okay, so here it is the polyester, right? This is one. Then okay, here cotton is there, right? Then here flax. Okay, next one wool. Yes, then nylon. Okay, so these are the fibers present here. So which are the nylon, means which are the natural fibers and which are the synthetic fibers? So here Yes, another one is here silk. Yes, so the natural fibers, these are cotton, silk, flax and wool. Okay, coming to the synthetic fibers, the synthetic fibers are here polyester and nylon. So four natural fibers and two synthetic fibers are present. So correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, select the activity which is different. Select the activity which is different from the other three based on the types of force involved. Okay, so options are a person climbing up a mountain using rope, B, making chapati out of dough, C, lifting a heavy bag kept on floor, D, drawing water out of well using rope. So here in option a person climbing up a mountain using rope. So here the force, it is acting opposite to the gravity or opposite to the gravitational force. Making chapati out of the not this type of forces here. Lifting a heavy bag kept on the floor, it is also acting opposite to the gravitational force. Drawing water out of well using rope, it is also acting opposite to the gravitational force. So here the option B, that is different from the other three, that is based on the type of force. In all these three options, the forces are acting opposite to the gravitational pull. Got it? Coming to the next question, refer to the given diagram of human tooth and select the correct option regarding its parts P, Q, R and S. So options are A, P is soft, white and shiny part of tooth. B, Q is root whereas R is crown of tooth. C, S nourishes Q as it contains blood vessels and nerves. D, Q is a soft tissue which anchors the tooth inside gums. Okay, so P, Q, R is, these are the different parts here, right? So here P, that is the covering part, that is the outer covering enamel, which is the hard part. So P is soft, white and shiny part of tooth. That is not correct because it is the hard part. Q is root whereas R is the crown of the tooth. No, this one is incorrect. Okay. So then S nourishes Q as it contains blood vessels and nerve. This one is correct. We can see here S contains blood vessels and nerve. So it nourishes the tooth. This one is correct. Q is a soft tissue which anchors the tooth inside gum. No, it is also not correct. So here correct answer is option C. Got it? Coming to the next question. In which of the following cases the person is not doing any work in terms of science? Options are A, Rohan is throwing a ball. B, Shukriti is standing while carrying her school bag on her shoulders. C, Vidushi is trying to move a tree by pushing it. D, both B and C. So here, in which of the following cases the person is not doing any work in terms of science? So in terms of science, when work is done, when there is movement of, that is change in position of object on application of force. In that condition, work is done according to the science. So Rohan is throwing a ball. So yes, there is movement of ball on the application of force. So here work is done. Shukriti is standing while carrying her school bag on her shoulders. No, here work is not done as there is no movement. Vidushi is trying to move a tree by pushing it. So Vidushi is applying force on the tree, but the tree is not moving. Okay, so here also work is not done. Both B and C. Okay, so this one is the correct answer. In both B and C, no work is done. Coming to the next question, the name of which of the following cannot be obtained by using the letters given in the box? You can use each letter more than once. Options are A, an insect which sucks our blood. B, a wingless insect. C, an insect from which honey is obtained. D, a social insect that destroys wooden items. Okay, so we have to find the name of which of the following cannot be obtained by using the letter given in the box. We can use each letter more than once. So an insect which sucks our blood, that is mosquito. we can make this word from this grid, from this box. A wingless insect, that is silverfish. This word can also be made. An insect from which honey is obtained, that is honeybee. So here it cannot be made, okay, as a bee is not here. A social insect that destroys wooden items, that is termites. It can also be made. So here the correct answer is option C. Got it? Coming to the next question. Dinesh wanted to taste how hard the object made of petrol P and Q, so he performed an experiment. Which of the following shows the hardness of object P, Q and plastic in the correct order? So here you can see when P is moved on the surface of the plastic, the scratch marks are there, okay, but when Q is moved on the surface of the plastic, no scratch marks are there. So here the options are from hardest to softest. Options are A, P, Q plastic, B, P plastic Q, C, Q plastic P, D plastic P, Q. Okay, so here as P is making, when we are moving P on the surface of plastic, it is showing the scratch marks. So P must be harder than the plastic. Okay, so P is harder than the plastic, but Q, as it is not making any scratch marks, so Q must be softer than plastic. So the correct answer is option B. P is the hardest, followed by plastic, and Q is the softest among the three. Right? Coming to the next question. If this moon was observed on 7 July, then this moon will be observed on dash. Options are A, 15 July, B, 28 July, C, 30th July, D, 21st July. Okay. So, see, in these two phases of moon, the second one is exactly opposite to that of the first one. Right? So when exactly opposite phase of moon is there, it takes 2 week times, 14 days times for this. So if for the first phase it is 7 July, so for the second phase it will take another 2 weeks or 14 days. It will be 21st July. Got it? Coming to the next question. Manoj crossed out mushroom from the given group because he felt that it did not belong to this group. Which of the following statement support Manoj's conclusion? Options are A, mushroom is a plant while the rest are not. B, mushroom is a fungus while the rest are not. C, mushroom feeds on decaying things while the rest do not. D, mushroom cannot make its own food while So here the first option, that is mushroom is a plant while the rest are not. This one is incorrect. Mushroom is a fungus while the rest are not. This one is correct. Mushroom feeds on decaying things while the rest do not. It is also correct. Mushroom cannot make its own food while the rest can. Yes, this one is correct. Okay. So the correct options are B, C, D, that is present in option D. Got it? Coming to the next question, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies P, Q, R and S. So, things are there, does not break easily, it is opaque, does not absorb water at all. So, for P, Q, R, S, the options are A, steel tiffin box, wooden pen stand, plastic jar, aluminium foil. B, spectacles, butter paper, wooden door, raincoat. C, mirror, plastic tumbler, glass bangle, eraser. D, frosted glass, cardboard, rubber band, wooden spoon. So here for P, it does not break easily, it is opaque and it does not absorb water at all. So it could be the steel tiffin box. Then the Q, that it does not break easily, it is opaque. It could be the wooden pen stand. R, does not break easily, does not absorb water at all. It could be plastic. S, does not absorb water at all. It is opaque. So it can be aluminium foil. So here the correct option is option A. Coming to the next question. Refer to the given flow chart and select the correct option regarding P, Q, R, S and T. So commonly edible plant parts, leaves, roots, stems, flowers and fruits. These are PQRST. So options are for PQRST: A. Tomato, potato, okra, cauliflower, mustard. B. Spinach, banana, carrot, basil, clove. C. Radish, turnip, lotus, broccoli, pumpkin. D. Coriander, rice, brinjal, sugarcane, lettuce. So here, as per the given option, sorry. So the edible part of leaves, that is B. So it could be radish, roots Q, that could be turnip, stems R, it could be lotus, flower S, it could be broccoli, fruit T, it could be pumpkin. So here the correct answer is option C. Got it? So whatever options we have, among those options we have to find which one is more appropriate. Got it? Coming to the next question. The given graph shows how the level of pollution changes in an area over a time period. Which of the following can be most likely concluded from the given graph? Okay, the options are: A. Trees were cut in large numbers in that area at point P. B. A new factory was set up in the area at point Q. C. The interval RS shows that people started recycling waste and switched to public transport instead of using their personal transport. D. None of these. Okay. So here the first option, trees were cut in large number in that area at point P. So this one is correct because it was constant till P, right? After P, the level of pollution has increased. So the trees were cut in large numbers. It could happen that trees were cut in large number. So the level of pollution increases after the point P, right? A new factory was set up in the area at point Q. So at point Q, after the point Q, pollution level, it is decreased. So if a new factory was set up, the pollution level should increase. Okay, so this one is incorrect. The interval RS shows that the people started recycling waste and switched to public transport instead of using their personal transport. So the RS here, the pollution level is increasing. So if people start recycling waste, they switch to public transport, then the pollution levels will decrease. But here it is increasing. So this one is also incorrect. So correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, refer to the given food web and select the correct option regarding it. Options are: A. There are 6 food chains in the given food web. B. Rabbit, rat, grasshopper and deer feed only on plants. C. 2 animals in this food web feed on both plants and animals. D. If fox and deer are removed from the area where this food web is operating, the lion population will increase tremendously. Okay, so here among all these, option B is the correct answer. Rabbit, rat, grasshopper and deer, they feed only on plants. You can see they feed only on plants. Okay, so correct answer is option D. Rest you can check, these are not correct. Coming to the next question, Shweta conducted an experiment to find out the amount of light that can pass through a mirror, a frosted glass and a clear plastic sheet. She shone a torch on these three materials one at a time and used light sensor to measure the amount of light that passes through each of them. Okay, so from which of the following graphs correctly shows the result of an experiment? So here, so if you can able to see through any substance, that means light is passing through. If you are able to see some of the things through that substance, then it is able to pass some of the light. And if you cannot see anything beyond that substance, that means it is not allowing light to pass through it. If we see for mirror, we cannot see what is present beyond mirror. So it is not allowing the light to pass through. Frosted glass you can see up to some extent. So it is allowing some of the light to pass through it. clear plastic sheet. It is transparent. We can see whatever is present in the other side of the clear plastic sheet. So it is allowing the light to pass through it. So correct answer is option B. Okay. Yes. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, wait mindfully. Practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.